Which of the following statement is true in an N-type semiconductor? Let's go through each option and explain why they are correct or incorrect. Option A. Electrons are minority carriers and pentavalent atoms are dopant. This statement is incorrect because in an N-type semiconductor, electrons are the majority carrier, not the minority carrier. This is because pentavalent atoms donate extra electrons, increasing the electron population significantly. Let's check option B. Electrons are the majority carriers because they are donated by the dopant. Holes are the minority carriers in N-type materials. Pentavalent atoms such as phosphorus or arsenic are used as dopants because they have 5 valence electrons and donate extra electrons to the conduction band. And statement in option B is holes are minority carriers and pentavalent atoms are dopant. She is absolutely correct. Thus the correct answer is option B. Let's see option C. Holes are majority carriers and trivalent atoms are dopants. This is incorrect because in an N-type semiconductor, holes are the minority carriers. Additionally, trivalent atoms, that is with 3 valence electrons, are used as dopants in P-type semiconductors and not in N-type. N-type semiconductors require pentavalent atoms as dopants to increase electron concentration. So this is a wrong statement. Let's check option D. Electrons are majority carriers and trivalent atoms are dopant. Again, this is incorrect because while electrons are indeed the majority carriers in an N-type semiconductor, trivalent atoms are not used as dopants in N-type materials. Trivalent dopants create holes and are used in P-type semiconductors. N-type semiconductors require pentavalent dopants to contribute additional electrons. Therefore, the only suitable answer is option B.